What was the consequence of widespread counterfeiting of token currency? A. The state treasury increased significantly. B. Trade flourished with foreign merchants. C. The entire revenue system collapsed. D. Peasant revolts ceased. The correct answer is C. The entire revenue system collapsed. What ancient Iranians were known as Sakas in Sanskrit? A. Scythians. B. Kushanas. C. Gandharans. D. Parthians. The correct answer is A. Scythians. In which direction does blood flow through the chambers of the heart during a cardiac cycle? A. From arteries to veins. B. From high pressure to low pressure areas only. C. Randomly. D. In a specific direction. The correct answer is D. In a specific direction. What happens to the movement of particles when a liquid cools and freezes? A. Movement becomes more random and unrestricted. B. Movement increases in speed and range. C. Movement ceases entirely. D. Movement is more restricted. The correct answer is D. Movement is more restricted. What is indicated by the ++ and -- symbols on the charged body? A. Charge distribution. B. Magnetic poles. C. Molecular bonds. D. Temperature gradients. The correct answer is A. Charge distribution. What type of reaction occurs when ethanol is heated with concentrated H2SO4 at 443 K? A. Dehydrogenation. B. Oxidation. C. Combustion. D. Dehydration. The correct answer is D. Dehydration. What is the position of gold leaves after an electrical discharge? A. They become negatively charged. B. They become positively charged. C. They remain expanded. D. They resume their normal position. The correct answer is D. They resume their normal position. What are products called that are used or intended to be used to cause loss of sensation? A. Antiseptics. B. Analgesics. C. Antibiotics. D. Anesthetics. The correct answer is D. Anesthetics. Which concept is related to fixing the selling price to earn profit? A. Demand and supply. B. Exchange rate. C. Barter system. D. Knowledge of profit and loss. The correct answer is D. Knowledge of profit and loss. What was the duration of the Boer War? A. 1899 to 1900. B. 1899 to 1902. C. 1900 to 1903. D. 1898 to 1901. The correct answer is B. 1899 to 1902. Who is associated with the national flag? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Pingali Venkaiah. The correct answer is D. Pingali Venkaiah. Before permanent teeth, what is the initial set of teeth called? A. Deciduous teeth. B. Molar teeth. C. Canine teeth. D. Wisdom teeth. The correct answer is A. Deciduous teeth. Which of the following is a potential pull factor for migration? A. Better job opportunities. B. Political instability. C. Natural disasters. D. Lack of employment. The correct answer is A. Better job opportunities. The Sangam texts are generally dated to which period? A. 5th century BC to 5th century AD. B. 2nd century BC to 2nd century AD. C. 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. D. 1st century BC to 1st century AD. The correct answer is C. 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. Which of the following is a liquid fuel used in rockets? A. Fuming nitric acid. B. Hydrazine. C. Hydrogen peroxide. D. Ozone. The correct answer is B. Hydrazine. How do two metal sheets behave when they are hung in contact with each other in a simple electroscope? A. They remain stationary. B. They vibrate randomly. C. They attract each other. D. They repel each other. The correct answer is D. They repel each other. Which of these crops is considered a food crop according to the list provided? A. Tobacco. B. Coconut. C. Cotton. D. Ragi. The correct answer is D. Ragi. What does A represent in the context of sound wave characteristics? A. Wavelength. B. Amplitude. C. Period. D. Velocity. The correct answer is B. Amplitude. What was the result of peasants abandoning cultivation after their revolts were dealt with cruelly? A. A decrease in land tax. B. An increase in trade. C. The outbreak of disease. D. Improved state revenue. The correct answer is C. The outbreak of disease. Which property describes the materials that allow electric current to flow? A. Insulating. B. Conducting. C. Resisting. D. Semiconducting. The correct answer is B. Conducting. What is the valency of carbon in methane? CH4. A. 3. B. 1. C. 4. D. 2. The correct answer is C. 4. Who proposes the name of a candidate for president? A. At least 25 electors. B. At least 50 electors. C. At least 100 electors. D. At least 75 electors. The correct answer is B. At least 50 electors. What is the typical use for soft soaps? A. Industrial cleaning. B. Cleansing the body. C. Lubrication. D. Disinfection. The correct answer is B. Cleansing the body. Where is cocoa also grown in South America, in addition to coffee-growing regions? A. Peru and Bolivia. B. South Ecuador and Colombia. C. Chile and Uruguay. D. Argentina and Paraguay. The correct answer is B. South Ecuador and Colombia. Which of the following is not listed as a common structure in all cells? A. Nucleus, in most eukaryotic cells. B. Cell wall. C. Cytoplasm. D. Cell membrane. The correct answer is B. Cell wall. What can start massive forest fires in hot and dry weather? A. Landslides. B. Lightning. C. Floods. D. Tsunamis. The correct answer is B. Lightning. In the Ramnathaswamy temple, what architectural feature is strikingly predominant? A. Gopurams. B. Mandapams. C. Corridors. D. Sculptures. The correct answer is C. Corridors. What is the name for substances that are not attracted by a magnet? A. Ferromagnetic substances. B. Paramagnetic substances. C. Non-magnetic substances. D. Magnetic substances. The correct answer is C. Non-magnetic substances. How is the beam in a discharge tube directed towards a coated screen? A. By changing the electrode material. B. By adjusting the gas pressure. C. By varying the electric field. D. By varying the magnetic field. The correct answer is D. By varying the magnetic field. Formation of curd from milk is mentioned as an example related to what topic? A. Changes. B. Germination. C. Drying. D. Bursting. The correct answer is A. Changes. How did you score?